Welcome to Stock Graphs. Stay connected to us for free educational stock contents. For our contents, we pick the companies and stocks based on certain criteria and present them to you with potentially the most updated news, forecasts, analysis, and rumors. So stay tuned and subscribe now for trending stock news and updates and make the accurate projection with our analysis. Before going through our videos, kindly read the disclaimer. Our videos are created for educational purposes. We are not intended to suggest any position taking or investment advice. Perform due diligence before buying or selling any stocks. Just before we get into this video, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up button and make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. And also do not forget to check out some of the links in our description below. Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Stock Graphs, and in today's video we are going to be talking about another rising star in the stock market. The stock is Gevo Inc. stock and they trade under the ticker GEVO. Since November, Gevo stock has been a rocket. The shares have gone from $1 to a high of $15. Now, as for the company, Gevo Inc. operates as a renewable and next-generation biofuels company, which focuses on the development and commercialization of renewable alternatives to petroleum-based products.
When you think about the big picture of what's going on in the world, people are keenly aware that greenhouse gases are a problem. The burning of fossil fuels leads to greenhouse gases. But what are we going to do about it? What's the alternative? When you burn a fossil-based fuel, it makes CO2. Those are greenhouse gas emissions. We want that gone. We have to replace that fossil-based carbon, that whole gallon, with something else that's better. I have been working in this field of renewable resource-based products for decades. One of the things that I saw as potential is that if we could ever make this chemical called isobutanol, we could make octane for gasoline, kerosene for jet fuel, and we could make a diesel fuel. We didn't know how to do the biotechnology decades ago. And then we learned. We're setting up a new infrastructure of sustainability. It's way bigger than us. We can see how to get to a whole gallon of liquid fuels that works with the exact same existing infrastructure that works in all the engines with a net zero carbon footprint. That's what we're trying to do here at Gevo. 15 years ago, we couldn't have done it. The technology didn't exist. Now it does exist. We've proven it. It works.
It operates through the following segments: Gevo, Gevo Development, and Agri-Energy. The Gevo Development and Agri-Energy segment is currently responsible for the operation of its agri-energy facility and the production of ethanol and related products. Gevo is well capitalized and the company was smart to do an $350 million equity offering when the stock was rallying. The company is also in the early stages of developing a new plant in South Dakota that will be able to produce 45 million gallons per year of jet fuel and renewable gasoline products. Gevo stock is currently trading at around $9, which today is at $8.72 with the previous closing at $7.99. Gevo Inc. stock has a 52-week high stock price of $15.57 and a 52-week low stock price of $0.46. Gevo has a market capital of $1.70 billion with a share volume of 13,899,625. Based on the activity of 358,956 tip-ranks investors in the recent quarter, the market sentiment is highly positive. On an average, these investors allocate 11.4% of their portfolio to Gevo, and the change in number of portfolios holding Gevo out of its 358,956 investors' portfolios on TipRanks is 1% in the last 7 days and 10% in the last 30 days. Now, investors are always looking for stocks that are poised to beat at earnings season, and Gevo Inc. may be one of such company. According to recent news, analysts have recently bumped up their estimates for Gevo, giving the stock a Zacks earnings ESP of plus 25.00% heading into earnings season. A positive reading for the Zacks earnings ESP has proven to be very powerful in producing both positive surprises and outperforming the market. Gevo has gained 45% compared to the others over the last 5 trading days, as the investor sentiment is very positive about its upcoming fourth quarter results previously scheduled on March 17th. Based on two analysts offering 12-month price targets for Gevo in the last 3 months, the average price target represents a 88.26% increase from the last price of $9.03. In the meantime, Gevo still has a lot to prove. We are also anticipating that we will get some highly positive news from this company very soon.
With me right now is Patrick Gruber, CEO at Gevo. Patrick, great to see. Patrick, the company closed the financing that you have been talking about to me for the past few weeks, $321 million. How does that feel? And just remind us what you'll use it towards.
Sure. So you think about that money raise, it's pretty interesting, and I like the way our stock prices responded. But yeah, we now have, get this, we're out of debt. That's a change from a while ago, right? And then no debt, and we have about $530 million of cash in the balance sheet. That's terrific. You know why? Is because I can self-fund the equity of my Net Zero 1 plant that we've talked about. And so that's a huge deal. It de-risks that whole side of it. It fundamentally de-risks it. It's a big deal, right? And now we do have people who are strategics who want to invest with us, but now it changes the dynamic even at the negotiating table. And so it's complete latitude. We also have enough cash in the balance sheet to fund a big portion of our Net Zero 2 plant. And I have the money to do the development. And I have the money to do my RNG project. So it's a fundamentally different game to play. And I think, it's amazing. And we're in a terrific position, and we're in a sweet spot in the marketplace, and the wind is at our back. The government policies are going our direction. Carbon value looks like it's increasing. We're in a good spot, I think.
Thank you so much for watching the video. All the way to the end of today's video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and that you are subscribed to our channel as well. Click the bell button to make sure you get updates as soon as any stocks come into our attention. Check the link given below to join our Patreon group and get access to our Discord chat group. For more related videos, check the description box below. Now you guys know that we love hearing from you, so make sure to leave your thoughts down below in the comments. Please make sure you identify stocks based on your investing appetite. Some stocks are more riskier than others, and some can be more rewarding too. So make sure that you understand all the risk involved before making any investment decision. Our videos are created for educational purposes. We are not intended to suggest any position taking or investment advice. Perform due diligence before buying or selling any stocks. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful day.